So there was a question about making a button like this, and here it's a thumb groove, and those bumps are going from straight to transitioning to bent like this. So I just made this, extruded this block, and the next step would be to change the top surface by cutting it with the surface, and for creating that surface we need some sketches. So here I make an arc like so, and I want those points to be horizontal to each other, and I want to set a distance here, maybe 4, and also set a radius for this, for it to be completely constrained, like so. And on the other side, I just create a sketch with a line, straight line, like so, and set the distance from the top. Okay, and next we go to surface. And for our loft to have some direction, I want to first make a small extrusion here. The length doesn't matter. And then make a loft between the surface body and the arc over there. And here in profile 1, if I make this curvature continuous, and let's hide that body so we see what's going on. Then I can manipulate this arrow to give it the shape I want. Okay, and next we want to cut this solid body with the split body using that surface as a cutting tool. Okay, so now we got a few extra bodies here that we don't need. So let's select them and right click and remove. Next step will be to create a sketch for those bumper things on an offset plane. And I want to offset from this, long click to be able to select the plane inside there. And just make sure it's up here somewhere. Sketch on that. And project this surface. So we got those purple lines to grab onto when we sketch. And over here, I want to create a rectangle, 2-point rectangle from here to over here, so it snaps onto the projected lines. And we can set the distance here to, let's say, 3. Okay. And the next step is not to extrude yet, but to have something to extrude down to. And so back to surface and create offset. And I want to offset this plane. So it creates a surface body down here, maybe minus 2.5. And I also want this body, this surface body, to be large enough to, so it's clearly outside. Something like that, so it sticks out on all sides. Okay, back to solid and extrude this profile. And instead of extend type distance, we set it to object. and select this surface body. So it will cut down until it hits this surface body. Then we got this extrude feature, and we want to pattern it along axis. So rectangular pattern, and the object type will be features. We'll select that extrude. And here it's very important that you select compute type to adjust. So it will know it has to go down to this surface and set an axis and just drag it out to somewhere here and up the quantity to whatever looks good. Okay. So as you see, it cuts down to the surface body here. If I didn't have that set to adjust and instead optimized or something else, it would just it wouldn't work. That's not what we want. So adjust this, adjusted this, and that surface body is no longer needed. So we can also, of course, smoothen this out by filleting them, and it would be easiest to select all, the edges we want if we go to select and selection priority, select edge priority. So from the top, just drag like that, and I've selected all those edges I want and some extra, but now it's quite easy to just deselect those extra that I didn't need. And let's set this to 1 millimeter. Okay. And one more fillet on those. Like so. And when using this selection priority, be sure to go to selection filters and check select all, otherwise you will be confused when you're trying to select other things in the future. So yeah, that's it.